Hi, my name is Chris Kovach and I'm the Regional Sales Consultant in Northeastern Florida for Tobii Dynavox. Today, I'm going to quickly answer a question of how do we put a sound recording or a voice recording, sometimes called voice banking, onto buttons within the Communicator 5 software. What we're going to do right now is work on a text-based page set, but this can be done on any of the page sets, an emergent user or a symbol-based user. And what we're going to do is create a blank page. So what you can do is either tap and hold the screen to bring up the quick menu guide, click the third button on the left-hand side of your device, the one with the three dots to bring up the quick menu guide, or if you have a mouse installed on the device itself, you can right-click to bring up the quick menu guide. So what we want to do is click on the Create New Page Set option. Now this is going to quickly bring us into a question of if we want to start with a grid or if we want to freehand buttons. We're going to use a simple grid, and we're only going to program in 4 buttons on this page. So we're just going to do a simple 2x2 to make the squares nice and large. We're going to click OK, and it's going to take us to what looks like a Word document. From here, we're going to select one of the buttons, and you'll see that it highlights in red. Now what we can do is add sound to this button, add text to this button, add a picture to this button if we want. So all I'm going to do is insert text for the moment. And I'm just going to type, "Hi, my name is Chris," and that'll center right in the middle of the screen. If I want to make that text bigger, I click on the box and it'll automatically highlight the text, and I can use the drop down to make the text a little bit bigger and easier for me to see. Now what I can do is click the one that looks like a little microphone, or the little speaker, I'm sorry, that says sound. This is going to ask me if I want no sound on the button, if I want the device to speak the synthesized voice of "Hi, my name is Chris," if I want to use if I want to record a sound, or if I want to use an already existing sound file. In this case, I've already pre-recorded a couple files for myself, so I'm going to use a sound file. So I'm going to highlight sound file, and I'm going to hit Browse. And this is going to take me, just like I'm browsing a regular Windows computer, I would need to navigate to wherever I have my sound file saved. So if you've plugged a USB drive into the side of the device, you would want to scroll down and locate your USB drive here, and then navigate to the folder with the sound files. In this case, I just saved mine on my desktop under a folder called Sounds. And I'm going to select my file called "Hi, my name is Chris." I'm going to hit OK, or Open. Now I can test the sound if I like. "Hi, my name is Chris." I'm not sure if you could all hear that, so I'll try it again. "Hi, my name is Chris." But it does speak the file I have saved, and it sounds fine. So I'm going to say, OK, I'm going to save that. And I can hit Close, and now that button has had the sound file saved onto it. Now I'm going to do that again for these other buttons. I'm going to click the sound file again. I'm going to look up for a sound file. I'm going to browse. And now it's going to take me directly back to where I previously came from. So I'm going to select my goodbye file. I can test it. Goodbye. And I can save and close. And we'll do one more button down here in the corner. So sound file. And I forgot what I named this one. So this one is called "Thanks, Have a Great Day." So I'm going to add that on. I'm going to test it. Thanks. Have a great day. Hit save and close. And so you can do these out of order. As you saw, I added the sound to this button prior to typing on the message on the button. Highlight that. Make that size 28. Okay. So now what I need to do is I need to program a way out of this page set, because right now if you were to go into this page set, it's going to not give you a way to exit. So what I want to do is this 4th button I'm going to use as my home page button, or my go back button. So I'm going to program this by using this little, look like a little link chain over here. It's our hyperlink button. So I'm going to click on that button, and you'll see it brings up the link tool. Now what I want it to do is I want it to go to a page set. I'm going to, I want it to go to Other, not a page set. I want it to go to Home. So I'm going to click Save and Close. Now what I can do, if I wanted to make it easier, is I could put the word Home on there, or if I want, I can type in Home and maybe put on a symbol that it's going to symbolize that I'm going to go back to my home page. So once I'm done with this, what I want to do is I want to save it. So we can hit File, Save As, and you'll see it takes you into your Communicator 5 folder. This would say your username. So if this wasn't user 2, this might say Chris, and then my page sets. So in here, you want to name this whatever you feel is appropriate. So recorded voice sounds, or recorded page, or however you want to save it. Hit Save. And now if we want to test it, we can hit this little play button. It's called Run View. And that'll take us out, and now we can play with the actual page. Hi, my name is Chris. Goodbye. Thanks. Have a great day. Okay. And the last one is, does it take me to my home page? And it does. So what you'll notice is we haven't quite added this to our home page yet. It's not on our page anywhere. So that's the last step in this process. So we're going to bring up our quick menu guide again by either hitting the 3 buttons on the side, tapping and holding on the screen, or if you have a mouse, right-clicking. And we're going to quickly edit our home page. And we're going to add a page set. And you'll see now in this far right-hand column, you'll see the page set we just created. So we're going to click over here. We're going to select it. Click the Add Home Page button so we get the little checkbox up in the corner. Then we can close out. And if we wanted to manage it and move that to the beginning, if there was a lot of things on the page, we would select it and we would just walk it all the way to where we wanted. We just keep clicking the Move Left button to get it all the way up on our top row. And when we're done and we're happy with where it's at, we can hit Close, and we'll see that now it's on our main page on the top row, and we can navigate back and forth very easily. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks, and have a great day.